With a profound sense of pain and regret, I wish to bring to your notice that there has been a terrible a flash flood between Tibet and Nepal border. And on the Nepali side, as per the Indian news reports, about 484 people have gone missing. And on this side, we don't have any official information. Morning I left to go there personally, and all phones are off, all telecommunications are down, roads are blocked, we're unable to go there. One of our groups the S3 group that we met at Saga, and also met them that when we were trekking up, they were coming down. Of which 22 are from United States, 12 from Canada, $11 from Australia, 9 from United Kingdom, 4 from Germany, 3 from France, 3 from Nepal, 2 from Netherlands, 2 from New Zealand, 2 from Singapore, 2 from Spain, 1 each from Finland, Hungary, Israel, Lithuania, Philippines, Portugal, Russia and South Africa, a total of 80. And also this includes 34 male and 46 female participants, and a few other volunteers who are camped in the nearby hotels. 3 volunteers and 1 doctor. I think the replacement doctor who came in just day before yesterday from the ashram. But we have no any kind of official confirmation of any kind. But looking at the scale of destruction, it looks bad. The same building where we were for the immigration just a week ago, that entire building is washed away, and part of the town is washed away. We still don't know the other numbers. All communication is down, so we have no way. Within the hour, we informed all the embassies of these countries, both in India and Nepal, and we've been active in this, but there is really nothing much. At 9:05, we received a message from the group leader, who is Isha Praveen, who's been with us. At 9:05, he sent a message that they have arrived at the immigration. After that, this happened at 9:14, and Praveen, who was leading the team, who's been with us for more than 2 decades, is a full-time Ishanga with us. And we noticed that his Nepal phone did not come active through the… If he had crossed over, his Nepal phone should have come active, it did not come. So, literally the entire group was there in the building. So, this is a terrible and an extraordinary event, which unfortunately has turned out this way. Well, we don't have any numbers as such, but the overall numbers could be anywhere around 1,500 plus. And many of the Nepali guides were with us, their families were there. How many of them we do not know yet. But on that side is 484, that's what they are saying. This side there's absolutely no information. But that town where we entered, almost half the town is carved out of the valley. So it is said that some lake or river lake burst open. Some people in Nepal, some news channels are saying there was a 4.9 Richter earthquake about half an hour before. Other people are denying that. We don't know, there's no proper information. And we should have been there the same time tomorrow morning. So, here we are. So we're doing everything possible, we're still looking if we can… We are seeking permission through the Indian Embassy, the Chinese Embassy in India, and the American Embassy is working on this to see if they can permit me and a group of people to be there and see what we can do. After a long wait, it's already been nearly… it was at 9 o'clock, let's say, it's already nearly 12 hours. So about half an hour ago, we've sent messages to all the families